Hi there, I'm Encore meteorologist Katie Blake. It's been a very busy 24 hours for our crews after severe thunderstorms moved through the Metroplex on Sunday afternoon. Here's a look at all the storm reports sent into the National Weather Service because of Sunday's storms. These are all hail and wind-driven reports. Near Heath, a 60-mile-per-hour wind gust was reported, and it's those types of wind gusts, 60, 65 miles per hour, that were measured in those storms on Sunday. That resulted in tree limbs being broken and brought down. And we've been monitoring Monday's weather very carefully around DFW, especially where all the damage was on Sunday. Clear skies today helped Encore crews make a lot of progress in getting power restored to customers impacted by yesterday's storms. At the peak Sunday evening, approximately 131,000 customers were without power, but our teams worked around the clock, and less than 24 hours later, that number is down to less than 15,000 and still falling. And we will continue working through the evening and into the morning until every home and business that is safe to receive power has it. With so many fallen trees, getting our trucks into areas has presented a challenge, leading to some longer than normal waits for restoration. But Encore has called in help from across Texas as well as nearby states. Remember to keep safety top of mind. If you see a fallen power line, assume it is energized. Stay away from the area and call 911. Follow us on social media and Encore.com for updates as we continue working to get everyone's power back on. For Encore, I'm Katie Blake, reminding you to stay safe.